Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up video upload with Mux for mobile apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up video upload with Mux for mobile apps, start by creating a Mux account. Visit the Mux website and sign up for a new account. Once logged in, navigate to the API keys section. Generate a new API key if you don't have one. Ensure you take note of your API key, as you will need it later. Next, implement the Mux SDK into your mobile app. For iOS, use CocoaPods to add the Mux SDK by including it in your pod file. For Android, include the Mux Android SDK in your Gradle file. After integrating the SDK, configure the settings for video upload in your app. Set up the necessary permissions to access the device's camera and storage. Now, create a video upload function in your app. Use the Mux API to create a new upload directly from your application. This will generate an upload URL that your app will use to send video files. Once the upload URL is retrieved, prompt the user to select or record a video. Handle the selected video file and prepare it for upload. Use the upload URL to send the video file to Mux. Monitor the upload progress to provide feedback to the user. After the upload completes, capture the response from the Mux API. Store the video ID returned from the successful upload. You can now use this video ID for playback or further processing. Test the entire upload workflow thoroughly to ensure a smooth user experience. Make necessary adjustments based on user feedback and app performance. With these steps completed, your mobile app is now set up for video uploads using Mux. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.